Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a very easy cow skull. Now, this is a design that I do when I'm showing my students how to do a Georgia O'Keeffe style project, so I just want to share this with you guys. So to start off, we want to make the eyes. So I'm going to start right here on my paper, and I'm going to make two tall ovals. And I don't want them going straight up, I want them to be kind of like at an angle. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw an oval shape, and you can see how it's kind of at an angle. It's not going like straight up and down, but it's kind of at an angle. Then over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to draw another oval shape. I want it to be about the same size and definitely the same height as well. Now, inside of here, I'm just going to draw a little curved line like this, and then another little curved line like this, just to show a little bit of three-dimensional in there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go around here, and then it's going to curve in like this. And then I want to do the same thing here. Just kind of go down, go right around the eye, and then go in, kind of like some crazy parentheses. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line, and it's just going to kind of curve around here, and then it's going to come back down to here. It's going to look like an alien for a minute. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down at an angle, and then I want to do the same thing over here. Just draw a line that goes down. And then at the bottom here, I'm just going to make kind of like a little wavy line like this. Now, there are going to be two nostrils down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make two diagonal lines on this side, and then two diagonal lines on this side. And then I'm just going to connect the top and bottom with a little kind of squiggly line pattern. Now for the horns. There's so many different ways to do horns on this, but I'm just going to keep them simple. And I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's going to curve up. And then I'm just going to curve down, and then come back here to the face. I want it to be pointy up here, and then wider down here. So then same thing over here. I'm just going to go out, and I'm just going to kind of curve up. Then I'm just going to curve back down, and then just get wider all the way back to here. Then, you can add lots of different details onto here. I'm just going to make some little curved lines going all the way up the skull, or the horns. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just kind of make some little lines right along here that just go right up the horns. Now, I like to add a few little details onto here just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So there's lots of things you guys can do. I like to just kind of put a long broken line right down the center here. I like to add a couple little broken lines kind of right around the eyes. I'll put a few right around the top of the head, and then a couple on here. You can put a couple more little kind of lines kind of curving off to the side. And sometimes I'll put a couple extra ones along here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cow skull. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.